Okay, there we go, guys. Let's start a stream. So let me share the link, etc. on X, Instagram, and stuff. And so far, we printed yesterday, okay, and the price is going into our levels, okay, into our levels on the daily. We might get a nice swing long actually here. So let's see. I'm not in already, guys. Huh? That's just an idea, but that could be some stuff like that. So let's get it. Let me share it on X, etc., and then we can get started. That could be some stuff like that. So let's get it. Let me share it on X, etc., and then we can get started. That could be some stuff like that. Yo, the sun is horrible. What the fuck? What the fuck? Talk to me. Okay, so let's get it, guys. What do we think? Are we looking for longs today or what? Yo, Achak, how are you? Hey, Vijo. Make sure to like again, guys. Thanks. Hi. Let's see what we get today, guys. New York opening soon. They pushing down again. Oh, my cam is having some troubles. Should be good. If I put it here. Okay, nice. But like the sound goes from, you know what? Let me maybe change the sound. Okay. Yeah, on my MacBook. Should be better now. The sound should be a bit better, guys. Let me know if it's better, but should be better. Yo. The music is louder than you. Okay. Sorry, guys. Now, guys, it should be good. So let's see what we get today. Layouts. Let's open that one. No, oh my bad. Let's open this one, and let's also open this one. No. Okay, cool. Now it's good. Great. Brother, should I set a short trade TP at... No, bro. Why would you short here? See? Like, how can you come here and ask me if you should short here, bro? Like, what the fuck? Why do you want to short here? See? Here you are thinking like a gambler. Like, why in the world would you short now to target this level? That's stupid, honestly. I'm being fully transparent with you. That's stupid. So like, you don't have to enter here. If you have a trade from higher, that's good. But if you want to TP, and even to TP, I would say that you can hold it. Depend on your entry. If you short it here, like just close some, and like I have to get your stop loss. But yeah, but not necessarily for you, Rudrak. It also, like, I got a lot of people saying, oh, we broke down 105k do I short to 100k? Like that's a bit late. You want to short the value area highs and you want to long here, okay? And if you don't want to long here, you just wait for lower, but you don't short here. Maybe we can have a low time frame trade, okay? Feeding single print, rolling view up, that could be nice. Or maybe we can have a scalp long today. Let's see whatever we get. So let's see if we have a trigger or no. Can be an interesting session. Welcome guys in the stream. Oh, we're already 50. Thanks. So let me share it also up. Let me share it also here on Instagram, so everyone can join. So yeah, guys, the New York Open is in 25 minutes, so let's prepare it, okay? What do you think about Wu? I wouldn't touch tokens like that, honestly. Like, if you want to have like to hold it long term, like, why not? But that's it. Like, that's it. New York already happened, bro. No, look. Time in New York. See? New York Open is in 23 minutes, brother. They changed hours. Yesterday I did a mistake, but today I won't make the same mistake. So yeah, they changed hours, so New York didn't open already. You can see it here. So now let's see. What you can have for today. I would love this to load. I don't know why it's not loading. Great. We are under all the levels. If we merge all these, range levels, yeah, we lost this, huh? That's pretty bad. We are under all the value here. Here we have a single print 105k. Why not taking it? We have the daily VWAP here. You guys can see daily and weekly VWAP. That is a bit higher. Weekly VWAP 106k. Okay, 106k is like here. So yeah. Oh, there's a great conference here. That level would be great short. So maybe if we can have a nice setup here. Let's see the data of the day. The chances of the low to be in. Hey YouTube buddy, how are you? Do you like the long from 101k5 naked point of control? Well, honestly, here I don't think I will go like a day trade long. I think, yeah, I can take a scalp long here, but if I do enter in a big long, that will be more swing, okay, with like very low leverage and like wide invalidation. Like the level I would love to get, rolling view up 365 days is the best, honestly. So like a sweep of 100k's around here, like 99k's, like that. Let's say 99k5 will be huge. That will be great. But we can be there in a few days, okay? No rush. Like we still can have some bounce here, okay? Some bounce, okay? And then we have a week later. Like I told you, this can last for like few weeks still, okay? Or maybe we mark the bottom in the next days, and then we just have chop and we never take the lows. People get buried and then we bounce, okay? That's also very possible. Why would you sell to a scalp hype long now? I wouldn't touch icons right now, honestly. Hype is down 6% on the day. Damn. That's a clear downtrend. Why would you long here? Do you have any technical to long here? Downtrend, bro. Look. I mean, maybe we flip that, and then we have here, okay, but like here that's kind of catching knife. Let's see the VWAPs. Let's see the bands also. Yeah. Oh, yeah, but we are the yearly VWAP, which is okay. Okay, why not? And yeah, we are the low bands. We gotta buy signal. Yeah, why not? But like, yeah, hype could be a long actually. Hype could be a long maybe. Key levels and the Monday low. Okay. Yeah, that could be a long. Target this level. See? Target that. Where is the rolling view up here? That could be a long, maybe if we have a wick down. Okay. And we can target maybe this high. That could be a nice long. Let's see, but it all depends on Bitsy, honestly, guys. That was the setup that I shared yesterday. If you guys remember that I was like, I don't feel to take it. And that was a great idea because we would have been stopped. So that's nice. And now I still don't feel to take it. Still under the POC's levels. We have all these EMAs and VWAPs here. We have this liquidity here, like I wouldn't touch it, okay? And also you guys can see that we have a liquidity here, okay? So let's put an alarm on that level. I think we can sweep it on the session. Actually, something like this today will be great. Some shit like this. Don't know what you guys think. Hi, Keleshi. What's up, Zach? How are you? How are you guys? Again, we are all again doing a giveaway today, fam. We are doing another giveaway today. So make sure to comment and to like. And so that's fine. Love these streams, mate. Thanks a lot. Hey, Stella, how are you? I'm trying to find the link of the stream. I don't know why it doesn't work. So do you guys think we can have that trigger or no? Will be nice actually. Okay, I got the link now. Sorry. Okay, there we go, guys. Sorry. So, we can also check the data for today, okay? Let's check the data for today. Yesterday, it played out pretty well. If you guys remember, I was saying that there was literally no chance of us to make a new daily high. We didn't make one, and we even made a new weekly low and a new daily low, okay? So now on the session, currently, this is current New York session, okay? the P1 is the high, the P2 is the low. Yeah, so they say there is only 34% of the highs that are formed after current time, okay? Only 34%. And P2 formed after, yeah, so we probably take it. So moderate P1 flip, okay? There is only 57 chance that we take out the session high. That's insane. And the session high is basically that, guys. That's the session high. They said there's only 50% chance. Okay? And unlikely that P2 is hit. So we either make a new low or a new high. That's for sure. Like, there's no way we leave this or this. Okay, we will make a new high. So what I think is that we can probably make a new low, then we go for a high. Thank you for choosing me as the winner. Manifesting. Kelecha, I was waiting for your DM. I didn't saw it. What is your X Arab your X at? So I can find it. Because I didn't saw your DM. I was waiting for it, but if I'm still looking at, I don't have anything, brother. You didn't send me any DM. I don't have any DM. I can show my DMs because there are some private things, but okay. Let me DM you. Let me DM you. Yo, okay. I will answer later after the stream. We will do it. Okay, so that's fine. Okay. So we're going to close red this season and then moving up on Asia. Don't know, brother, but now let's see what is the data for the day saying. P1 is the daily high that was printed at 2 AM, okay? And the current P2, the current daily low was printed at 2:30, so like almost 1 hour ago, okay? What we can see is that the percentage of P1s formed after 2:30 is 60%. So normally there is 60% chance that we make a new high. But we can see that the percentage chance of a new P1 formed after current time is only 10%. So again, today there is only 10% of making a new daily high, okay? So let's look at where is the daily high. The daily high is basically here, okay? So we only have 10% chance to make a new daily high today. So this is basically what we don't want to play, okay? We have only 10% chance to make a new daily high. So we want to fade that. Do you know some sites like Brighter Data to see the percentage of having high low? Thanks. Honestly, I only use Brighter Data. I don't know the other ones. I don't know. Oh, let me record so I can have it. Okay, yeah, so that's nice. So what did you say? How are these statistics calculated? Basically, it's taking for example, here you can see that I took the last 3 years. So I took the data from the 4th November 2022, okay? So since the start of this cycle. And so basically, for example, here I'm looking at the daily data and it's looking at the last 781 data, okay? The last 781 days, trading days that we have. So the statistics are very reliable. And what are the statistics showing us today? We can see that the daily high was printed at 2 AM and there is only 10% chance at current time that we make a new daily high. So basically, we only have 10% chance to go to that level. So if we do have a bounce around these levels, we have a nice edge to take a short around these levels, target lower with an invalidation at daily highs, okay? That's what I'm looking to do. So I would rather wait for a retest here of the rolling VWAP and the weekly VWAP in order to go short, rather than longing here. Maybe if we have some good order flow and trapped shorts and trapped sellers and absorption, we can try a long, but I would rather wait for this single print to be filled. How is the percentage calculated? Honestly, brother, I I don't know. It's like algorithm and statistics. I'm not good at this. I only know how to read the data. I don't know how they do the data. Like that's not my field. These guys are like that. Like I don't know how they do that, but I know that it's real data. How much is this program? I don't know, guys. I think it's like it's a monthly subscription. I think it was like $50 or $60 per month, something like this. But it's very worth it, honestly. We can also see on the weekly. Let's see on the weekly the chances of the low to be in. Okay. Let's see the chances of the low to be in. We also have liquidations lower, so we probably just go lower, guys. Huh? Probably just go lower. Why can't I see the... What the fuck? I don't have the heat map, that's weird. So on the weekly, if it can load, the weekly could be nice. Did you get it by free by them? Yeah. Okay, 49 euro per month. Okay. Yeah, they gave me access. Actually, it's one of the traders that use that approach me and that say, oh, we have the same trading approach, and I'm using this tool, so you should try it. And since I've been trying it, that's working pretty good. So personally, I love it. So yeah. So if you look at the weekly data, guys, we can see that the percentage of weekly high formed after Monday 1 a.m. so when we had the weekly high is 88%. So logically we should have 88% of making a new high after that one. But the percentage of weekly highs after Tuesday, after Korean time, is 25%. So we only have one chance out of 4 to make a new weekly high. And the percentage of P2s formed after Tuesday Korean time is 93%. A P2, basically, it means that we either make a new high or a new low. P2 is like the last high or low that was swept. But as the weekly high is here, I do think that there is more chance we make a weekly low rather than a weekly high. So yeah, there is 92% chance we make a new weekly low. The weekly low is just 0.3% away, okay? So I doubt that we end the week like this, okay? This would mean that basically until next week we never touch again this level, which is pretty much not impossible, but like 93% of chance that this doesn't happen. Hi Anim, how are you? Get discount code. I will see later. I'm not promoting them for now, guys. I'm just like, I just had free access. I'm just using it. Well, like, I'm kind of promoting it because I'm using it in a stream, but like I'm not paid by them. I don't have any referral link for now, so yeah, if I can get you guys discount code, will be great. So yeah, look, there's a low P1 flip, okay? There's only 30% of the weeks that took the weekly high with current conditions, okay? So there's only 30% chance we make a new weekly high. So I'm not looking for swing longs right now, at least on the low time frame. And it's unlikely that P2 is in. So it's unlikely that we don't make either a new high or a new low. So as I don't think we have big chances to make a new high, I think that we will make a new low. So I'm still looking for shorts in order to make a new low. So P1, basically, P1 is the first high or low printed. So if, for example, the weekly high is printed before the weekly low, then P1 will be the weekly high, okay? But if the weekly low, basically we pumped at the open and the weekly low was printed first before than the weekly high, then the P1 is the weekly low and the P2 is the last high or low printed. So basically you have the percentage of P1s formed, okay? And you also have the percentage that the P2 is in. P2 in means that the last low or high made was the P2, basically. Will you be streaming around this time from now onwards? Yes, but basically that's New York Open. I'm always streaming New York Open, brother. So yeah. So now let's see what we get. Maybe we can have like some shitty trades like that, like a 1-to-1 risk reward. I don't give a fuck, honestly. Yeah, maybe let's go for 1-for-2. Some shit like this, like a sweep here. That would be alright, okay? So for example, let's say we risk like let's say we risk 1k on the challenge account. That is like a 1k BTC account. So if we go on Lbank, on the challenge account, Lbank BTC. So basically we put an order of long 103k 300. Okay, so let's put another 103k 350, and we put a 1 BTC long order. Okay, basically we will risk 1k, okay, in order to make 2k here. But the best setup for me will be a short here. So maybe I will just like pull out the orders if we just dump quick to it. New York Open loading. Yes, New York Open in 4 minutes, guys. Hey Dennis, how are you? Good morning. ZEC USDT analysis. Yes. Let me check. I would love to short ZEC, honestly, but still think this can go a bit higher. First, I didn't got the trigger here. I would love like 500-ish. That would be great. Yeah, like, well, basically that was, yeah. Oops. Like something like this. Basically this level. This. That's what I would love to get on ZEC. And it's not really correlated to the market. Like if you look at BTC, we're dumping, ZEC is pumping. So it can go by itself. So let's see. Regarding hype, today we talked about a possible scalp long. So let's see if we can play it. I think I would rather like maybe, you know, risk, I don't know, like $500 on hype. Okay, something like this. And maybe the order, if I can change it here, like more 0.5 BTC. Okay, more 0.5 BTC for now. Okay, on a limit order, we can scale in more if we have it, but for now I feel like this is safer, because as you guys know, I prefer to go short rather than long. BTC is going to 100 to 7k slowly. Well, honestly, if we do lose that box, guys, if we do lose that, that's possible. Okay, as long as we hold this level, as long as we hold 98, 99k's, I think this is looking good. But if we lose that, yeah, that's going to be complicated, honestly. So let's see. New York is opening in 2 minutes, guys, so let's get it. Let's get it. 70 viewers, guys, thanks a lot again for the support. Remember, we are giving away $100 every stream, okay? $100 every stream. So what you need to do is just to follow the YouTube channel, to like the stream, and whenever we do the draw, you guys will need to comment in the stream, and we will pick up one of the comments in the stream to win the $100. Yo, Oni Fluff. And by the way, the stream is sponsored by Lbank, guys. So if you guys don't have an Lbank account, the link is in the description. You don't need KYC to trade. You have all the trading pairs. Personally, I'm doing the 10k to 100k challenge on Lbank. You also have a 20% deposit bonus. And also, I'm just teasing it for you guys in here, but the VIP Discord is closed for now. I'm going to close it. I'm going to fully change the Discord, okay? So the free channels, I'm going to open a new VIP with a new trading course, with new trading signals, and also with a group calls with the VIPs. And you guys will need to have an Lbank account. So if you guys want to prepare to join the VIP, make sure to create an Lbank account and to trade on it, because you will have to deposit, etc. So I will change the way to do the VIP. So I will explain it later. I will make an announcement, but for those who are on the stream, you will know in advance. So we'll basically do something free, but you guys will have to trade on Lbank. Yo Lolo, hey Dollar Stain, New York in 1. Yes. Okay, New York just opened. Let's go into 1 minute. Actually, I don't feel like longing. I'm going to be honest. I don't feel like longing. Huge delta at the open. Okay, already. Okay, let's look S&P. Let's look ES. Up. We had quite a nice pullback on S&P, by the way. Like, well, 2.5%. Not crazy. Fill the gap. This looks good. Huh? Stocks extended down 1.4%. And if we look at the VWAP, we have the 30-day VWAP here. Could be nice support. Well, maybe we don't get a fill today, guys. Let's see the TPO on the daily. Okay. So far, nothing, huh? I think we are in the starting stage of short-term bear market. I don't think so. I don't think so. Could be, but we need confirmations lower to claim that, actually, I think. Let's see. On the daily, look. There's still 83% that we make a new daily low, okay? And there's only 9.5% that we make a new daily high. So there are still chances to make the... Oh, while we're going for it, no way. No way. If I don't get filled, guys, if I don't get filled, basically the setup is that. No way. No way. I got filled here. It's just that I put at the wrong one. So basically, she'll be here. But we might get filled. Let's see. But do I want to enter? Do I want to enter? Okay, okay. Yeah, not really, huh? Okay, big delta in shorts. Big delta in shorts. Okay. Let's see on hype. Okay, I have to go quick. Okay, hype is holding pretty good, actually. Hype is holding low-key good. We go with $500 on hype here. That's like a 300. That's like a 300 on hype. Okay, let's long hype here. Let's try it. Let's try a little setup. Okay, let's have some fun. Okay, 300 hype. We long it. Up. Okay, there we go. Let's see. We have hype running and we have BTC also running. So now let's see. Let's see if this works. Okay, we have $15. I'm joking. Bro is too crazy. Okay, nice one. Nice one. Nice feel so far. If this can bounce, that can be good, guys. Okay. The last trade we took in stream, we went to TP. So let's get TP today. Let's get TP today. We're already up $100 in 1 minute. That's pretty good. Okay. That is pretty good. So I just long hype here and I just long BTC here. So now let's see if we can get it. That would be insane. But I think maybe that was a short-term win. Bro, do you think BTC has already topped or one? I don't think we topped. Let's see. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. The trade is cool. We're risking 1k today, so that's fine. That's totally fine to me. That's the screen for the... Okay. Just scalp long dollar BTC here for a quick... What do we want? We want like... We want a 2% bonds. 1 to 2% bonds. Up. Up. Sorry, I was posting. Okay, well, we're back in loss. We are back in loss, shit. No, my stop loss is not here. Where's my stop loss? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's happening? Yo, let me put a stop loss, please. Let me put a stop loss. $500. Here, okay. There we go. There we go. Here. Nice. Up, and the TP basically will be like 100, 5k, like some shit like that. Now let's see. Well, honestly, guys, I'm taking this trade just on the challenge account because we want to trade, but this is not an A+ setup. Why this is not an A+ setup? Because as you guys can see, the chances of making a new daily high today is only 8%, okay? So the chances to go, well, to that level, actually from here, that's a 4% bounce. We can bounce 2%, but like the chances to go here are very, very, very low. So the daily is mainly bearish right now. So yeah, kind of doing content trade, but that's fine. Let's still do it because we have 275 million delta in shorts, 200, almost 200. Okay, go for the 200. 300 million delta in shorts. Okay, that's pretty big. So yeah, up. So now let's see. We have the spot selling. Oh, I don't like that. Open interest increasing. Up. Oh, oops. Play. What is the alert here? I didn't got it. Oh, BTC. Okay, fine. How is S&P doing? Oh, S&P is not dumping that low, actually. Up. Oh, hype is giving us a trigger, fire trigger. Another entry here. Oh, by the way, let me put the stop loss on hype also. I forgot to put a stop loss on hype. I don't want to be liquidated. Up. Stop loss for much lower the stop loss. For $500 loss. And the TP for a 1k profit. Okay. Let's see this match with our level. 40.8. Yeah, basically that matches our level. So yeah, that's why we want to play on hype, and that's why we are playing on BTC. So now let's see if we can hold here or no. On BTC, actually, I might be tempted to start my swing long. I would maybe be interested in starting the swing long. Good, at great way to get a motivate there to trade. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, nice music. Where is that? Hype might be a better trade than that BTC actually. Hype might even be a better trade, yeah. Sorry, I'm checking. And yeah, I'm looking at this because I might be tempted to like start my long. Start my swing long. I mean, that was my plan. It's just that I'm not why I want to wait a little bit because I feel like I can get entries lower. But let's calculate it. I have to do it live because the price is dumping now. For me, my stop can be wide like that, okay? My stop can be like... Let's just play an auto-my on that one. So yeah, that's pretty okay. Let's say I risk 10k. Let's say I risk 10k. That's only one BTC. Okay. Win profit now, guys, I think. Win profit, guys. Nice one. $250 profit, okay? On BTC. Now let's see on hype. Let's see on hype. Great one also on hype. Hype, pretty good entry. Let's see if we can get it. I told you that hype was better, guys. I told you guys that hype was better. Now let's see. Already up $400. That's a great entry, guys. Pretty good. Now let's see the data. If we reload it, how is it looking? Yeah. Oh. We had a lot of shorts chasing. Now we have long chasing the price, but we might have a squeeze, honestly. Like, this makes sense to retest the daily VWAP or even this VWAP, the weekly VWAP. I would love this to be tested, okay? It's not because it fits my bias, but that makes sense. That makes sense to fill at least this single print. That would be pretty good. So let's see if we can get it. We got a pretty good entry right now, honestly. Like, we're up pretty much $500 almost. So that is pretty good. Again, guys, live execution, no stress. I was in loss, I was loafing because I don't give a fuck. When I enter a trade, I know that I will either be stopped or I will either make money. Like, there's two outcomes, or there is a third one that is break even. But that's something very important, guys. Whenever you take a trade, you need to accept the loss, okay? Whenever you take the trade, in your head, it's like the money you lost it, okay? You don't need to be impacted by that. That's the most important thing. So yeah. Yeah, I might target weekly view up, guys, here. 80 viewers, guys. Thanks a lot. So now let's see. We're a little bit in profit, okay? So to recap what we did today, we planned the trade here for a sweep of that level. Long on BTC, long on hype, okay? Shout out to the guy that told me to check hype because that was a great setup. Hype is looking pretty good. I feel like we are going to pump on hype. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I could even go risk-free, but I feel like for the show, let's just keep the positions. So yeah, pretty much up $500 already. So that was a nice one, guys. That was a nice one. And I feel like hype can pump a little bit. Yeah, it could be great. Well, we still have chances to make lows lower. Like, we can bounce a little bit here and then go lower. Like, this might not be the bottom. But same as in an uptrend, the price can go up for forever, but it will always hide little pullbacks. And same in a downtrend, price will bounce a little bit, and that's why we wanted to take here. Yo, Sky, how are you? That was a banger, honestly. That was a banger again. No. Okay, pretty good. So what do you guys think? Are we trading stops entry on hype? Feel like we can trade stops entry, even though the setup is much wider. So like, I'm okay with a retest of that. So I feel like I would keep hype, and let's just not look at it on like the 1 minute chart like that because we'll be crazy. Let me also duplicate that so I can also open BTC, so we have both. That's even better. Oh, that was a nice candle. That was a lovely candle. Our TP on BTC basically is here for 1k. Still far away. So let's see if we can get it. Oh, nice guys. Okay, let's put the pump song. Let's put the pump song. Okay guys, let's get it today. $700. I'm inevitable, guys. I'm inevitable. Or like him. Okay, sorry, that was too much. So hype is the hype. Honestly, the hype trade is pretty good. That's sick. Give me a reason. I saw everyone long XPL. What do you think? I don't touch XPL, brother. Trading is so difficult. I feel it comes down to luck. Good calling it with you, bro. Thanks, bro. Can I ask you to post higher quality image on Twitter so that the numbers are clear? You're asking a lot, Nasiri. Well, actually, the image should be good, no? Hello, Marta. Thanks for the 5k funded account. It's party thanks you. Let's go, bro. You got it. You got it with the calls. That's pretty good. Congrats, bro. Congratulations. Sam, brother, the image isn't clear on X. Weird. The image on what? On the stream? Ah, yeah, on the stream. Okay, because that was a screenshot of the stream, brother. That's why. Okay guys, I just posted a chart with the PNL on X, so this is the time for you guys to exit, okay? Because we probably reverse as I didn't took profit. That's the top. That should be the top. That's it. So let's see. Whenever you start to take screenshots of your profit without taking profit, it's smelling bad. It's smelling bad, guys. You don't owe me. That might be a great bottom, actually. Let's see the data of the day. Yeah, still very low risk that we go to daily high. Like the probabilities of going here are very, very low, okay? This level to be tagged is very, very... today, we probably don't tag it, okay? So that's why I'm looking to exit at... maybe sweep here those levels. a sweep here might be the first level where I would be interested in closing some position. So yeah, we might be up 1k on the challenge, so I might close it on the challenge. I don't know. Let's see. Nice setup. Thanks, brother. Nice shot on eye, bro. I miss it. We look for entries on the pullback. Yeah, I hope there's no pullback, but yeah. No stream. When you upload setup on X or Discord, it's never clear when you try to zoom on setup's number. Ah, well, it's because I take screenshot like that. See, look, I do that. Like I do shit like this. But yeah, it's because I have to go fast, bro. Like if you want to have the setup whenever I take it, I have to go fast. I'm sorry. Pump song, guys. We have $800 in 10 minutes. Let's go to 1k. Let's go to 1k. Okay, $900, guys. $900. Hype looking good, Bitsy looking good. What else? Can this go to full TP? That would be great. That would be great. Wow, bro. Why is it that long? Come on. What the fuck? Okay, let's get it. Same lol. This is my second funding account. I got my second account last week trading with Diego. Congrats, brother. Guys, you guys can see that I'm happy making profit for myself, but I'm even more happy if you guys can make profit with us. Like that's the best. And this is why I do the streams, to just share the trade with you. 84 viewers. Maybe we can tag 100 euros today. Could be nice. Well, we are pretty good today. That's nice. Almost 1k profit, guys. Almost 1k profit. We are very close. We are very close to 1k profit. 970. 980. Go for 1k. We are pretty close, guys. That's so good. $1k profit, guys. We up 1k. Let's go. We're up 1k in 39, 54. Okay, in 13 minutes. 13 minutes, 1k. No, sorry, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, sorry, my math. 15 minutes up 1k. That's not too bad, right? Not too bad. Lovely New York Open. Again, guys, if you guys remember what we wanted a sweep of the London low, and we wanted shorts to be trapped. Then we wanted to play the reversal to either this high or either the daily VWAP, the weekly VWAP, and the silver prints. We had a pretty good entry on BTC. We had a pretty good entry on Hype. Okay, we caught on ALP like a fast 4% bounce. Okay, 4% bounce on Hype, and on BTC 1.4% bounce. So that's pretty good. So now what we are going to do, guys, is to close basically half of the profit on Hype, okay, and to close half of the profit also, let's do last price so we pay less fees on BTC. and that's good. Okay, so now if we look at transaction history, we can see that we made $500 today that we took at home. We made $500 for sure. Now we will just trade our stops entry on BTC, for on hype here, and also on BTC. And now we are risk free. We made $500, and that's it. Our day is done. So that was a pretty good day. That was another pretty good stream, guys. Can you show for transparency win rate of your personal account? I already gave you guys access to one of my CoinMarket Manager accounts. But I just merged my new account into Lbank, into a new one, so I cannot really share it. That one is fine. That one is just like with 10k. That's a challenge. Pretty good BTC. Yo, that was a banger setup, guys. That was a banger setup. By the way, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, well, you should, because we made good money. Pretty good. Good TP also. So now if we dump, we don't really care. Can you explain reason? Followed you on Insta too. Thanks, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's trade. That was pretty good. Easy money. Sorry guys, I was sharing the reel on Instagram. So, would you rather spend? My bad. So, sorry, I'm back. Sorry guys. Trump will open BTC and Ethereum long. Well, Trump whale was wrong the last time, no? Didn't he lost like like tens of millions in his last trade? So let me update the poor people on X that are not following us, okay? Because today was a fucking banger, guys. Today was a fucking banger again. Up. By the way, what about? Did you guys watch the last video I made when I posted the rediffusion of the stream? Okay, but like condensed. Like instead of being a 2-hour stream, that was like a 40-minute video. But I can maybe do another one that is like a 15-20 minute resume of the stream. Let me know if you guys want more of this content. I'm a little late, I missed the trade, but congrats. Thanks, brother. And it's good. Next time you will have it. Well, maybe that will be a loss the next time. We don't know, but hopefully that's a win. What is your point of view for the week? I think that we can still make a low this week. Did you start a swing long? No. Yeah, that would be great. Educational content with live trades. Cool. Okay, well, I will post one. Maybe tomorrow video will be a resume of the stream, or even tonight. I don't mind posting more than 3 times on YouTube. By the way, guys. Let's go. This paid for the Etihad first class. Look, guys. Etihad first class, okay. So thanks to this trade, guy, and thanks to this trade also, we just paid the Etihad first class. So Thursday or Friday, I'm going to Dubai again, okay, and I'm going to take the first class. First time I taking it on Etihad, I took it like 2 or 3 times on Emirates. Was pretty good, but never tried it on Etihad, and they said that it was very good. Like, look, it's like that. See, oh, this guy is Sam Shui, the guy that makes the video. That's pretty good. So we're going to make videos, etc. And they say that there is a good internet connection. So maybe if there is like Starlink or something like this, we can do live trading or stream in the first class. That would be insane. So yeah. So now let's see the data of today. So daily. Let's see the data of the session, of the New York session. If we have chances to make a new low or no. Like, what are the probabilities? By the way, guys, we were in average 70 to 80 viewers this stream. Thanks a lot, guys, for being here every day with me, okay? I know that I might not be the best trader or like the best English speaker or even the most funniest guy, but thanks for being here because you guys support me a lot and that really means a lot to me. That's like a small apartment on New York. Yeah, you're welcome, Spartania. So guys, I want to see in the comments, did you guys print it with the stream or no? Did you guys make money today with the trade? We had 70 to 80 viewers. So you guys, I hope like at least 20 of you took the trade. You're welcome, Sivadon. Yes, okay, cool. We're printing and it's pumping even more, guys. Look at that. Pretty good. Yes, took it with alt size, nice. Yeah, but with Doge, hell yeah, yes. Let's go, guys. That's good. So now first TP here, TP half here, okay. We took London high. Okay. We have the session low that is P1. There is a low P1 flip risk, okay. So there is only 14% chance that we take the New York low today, okay. So that's why I will stay in the trade with stops entry, basically, because our entry is literally at the low, okay. And unlikely that P2 is in. This means that there is 88% chance that we make either a new high or a new low during this session. And the New York high is basically, well, that's the New York high. So there are still chances that we go for higher. The high was here, that was the New York high, okay, or even here. So there is still chance that we go higher. Personally, I would love to get this level. So yeah, if you do the math, there are more chances for us to go higher. Yes, Tukit. Bro, I'm down bad. I have no USDT. Sorry, brother. I can't do anything. Maybe you can win the giveaway today. I hope so. But I cannot cheat. Like, there's other people that need USDT. And also, guys, for a lot of people are sending me DMs to get money. I'm not a bad, like, I can't do that. Like, I can't do that. Like, understand me. And like, also, like, I'm young, guys. I'm like 21. So you shouldn't ask money to a 21-year-old. Liquidated. Fuck. Big bro, you are good. Do you will take also the short or leave the long? No, I think if we do have a nice trigger here, I might take the short also. That could be nice. Naman, I trade NQ. Oh, okay. That's good. And I was thinking about something. I might start to trade NQ. Like, honestly, is there like a big difference between trading NQ and crypto? Because I'm following S&P and NQ sometimes. I'm not trading it, but like, is it similar or no? If you stick to BTC, for example. Yoji, what's the vision for Ethereum? For now, I'm not touching Ethereum. I think we go a bit lower. I do not have money to trade, waiting for you to fund me for tomorrow's trade. Oh shit, sorry. Well, tomorrow you will have it, brother. If you trade ICT, you're good. Well, actually, I think ICT is bullshit, but basically ICT, he gave name to concept that already exist, like inverse value gap, fair value gap, liquidity, etc. All sweet, like I don't know, all these models that he named, they already existed before. It's just that he gave another name to it. But yeah, but my trading style might be good also for NQ because I trade volume, so I trade VWAPs, I trade the market profile, so the TPO. That is also something that you have, for example, in Bloomberg terminals. I trade the EMAs and I trade the order flow. So you can have it, for example, on Bookmap. Like Top Step. Yeah, okay. How to learn order flow? Well, basically, guys, I'm trying to give you value and give you a lot of like lessons on order flow during the streams. I will probably do some videos about order flow, but if you want to learn, there's a bunch of free resources all across internet. And I might do a free trading bootcamp maybe next year, because for right now I'm doing a bootcamp for my students, guys, just to show you guys on my school. Okay, this is my school, you can see, and we have, for example, right now that's all the for example, that's the Monday prep from yesterday. So yesterday we made a Monday prep, okay, about what we were thinking, etc. I was showing them, for example, the trade here. You guys can see here. That was only for my student. I was showing them this trade here. So we had this. We are also doing a 15 days trading bootcamp, okay? So we did, for example, 2 hours about order flow and footprint. So you guys can see here. That was a big course on order flow and footprint. Like 2 hours explaining how to set it up, etc. So that's for my students. For now, guys, it's closed, okay? I don't take any more students, okay? Because I'm focusing on the bootcamp. But maybe later I will start to open again to new students. Maybe I will make an announcement to open some spot for November. So yeah, if you guys are interested, maybe send me a DM on X so we can see. But it's only for advanced trader or people that are willing to really take trading seriously, okay? And that don't have like a 1 or 5K portfolio. You need to at least have money to trade, actually. CVD sigue bajista en spot, Binance puede ser. Let's see CVD spots. Oh, let's reset this. CVD spot. Wow, yeah, CVD spot still looks like shit. Like, look. We made a new high here, okay? Here. Same, open interest made a new high, okay? But CVD spot, no new high, okay? So that's kind of weak. And personally, I think I'm gonna close this. I'm fine with the profit. 1K profit today. That's good. I think we take it. Market close up. We take the profit. That's fine. So today we just made 1K profit in this setup and in this setup. That was pretty good. Hype is looking even better than BTC. So if you guys are in the setup, you can maybe hold hype and trade stops entry. Personally, I prefer to go out and I will look for a short here. That was a 1K day. That was pretty good. We took the live. We took the trade again in a live. Okay, real execution. No bullshit, guys. We always do this on YouTube. So make sure to don't miss the streams. What is the minimum for a portfolio to join you? There's no minimum. There's no minimum. We need to see if you guys are determined, if you guys want to learn, if you guys have time to also do the one-on-one calls, the group calls. Because, for example, yesterday I was supposed to do a full session about liquidation, heat map, market sentiment, footprints, and there was only 3 students. Okay, there was only 3 students. So I was like, I prepared this session for 5 hours. I did 50 slides. There's no way I'm going to do this for only 5 people, for only 3 people. So I reposted it for tonight, and tonight I will make it. I hope there will be more people. But yes, I really want people to be here because it's taking me time also to make all those contents. Do you still do lifetime membership on your Discord, boss? Send me a DM for the Discord. Send me a DM for the Discord, brother. Up. So now let's see regarding the daily. BTC looks a bit weaker than Hype. Hype looks pretty good though. So on the daily, yeah, we still only have 8% chance to take the daily high. And we still have 82% to make a new low on the daily. So yeah, I'm a bit careful. I'm a bit careful, guys. That's why I close it, okay? If we do have a retest here, why not like looking for a short around those levels, okay? For a new low. Because this bounce was pretty much driven by, basically we had, look at the volume in the shorts, okay? That marked the local bottom here also. We had like 275 mil delta in shorts and 329 mil delta in shorts, okay? So we bounced, okay? And here we have some long straps. Look, we have some long straps. So that was a nice rejection. We can also see here on Bybit, I guess. Yeah, Bybit we had 70 mil and 90. We had like 160 mil shorts trapped at the lows if we bounced, okay? So that was pretty sure. And now we are retesting the daily VWAP. The daily VWAP. I think we can have a push to weekly VWAP. That could be great. Now let's see the market maker indicator. How is it looking? We have 3 million in bids, so not bad. Could push a bit higher. And Hype is looking pretty good, guys. Huh? Hype is looking fucking great. And what is the cost to join? The cost, guys, it depends on your profile, on whether you're an investor, on whether you newbie, on what we will do together, etc. How much one session we do. Like, this is personalized coaching, guys. And also, there's only a few spots because I'm doing one calls with you guys in the mentorship. So I cannot take 100 of people. I can only take like 5 to 10 regular people that will do the one-ones and then we switch. And the one that switch, they still have access to the school and to the group calls. But with the one-one and the personalized coaching, I cannot have a lot of students. I would love, because I will be able to take more people. I will be able to also make more money with that. And I will be also able to help more people. But I cannot. I'm only by myself. So yeah. Guys, the hype trade is fucking goated. That was a banger of a trade, huh? Honestly. Very clean. Very, very clean. Hope you guys loved it. Guys, if you guys are interested in a mentorship, send me a DM on X. You guys have my X, Dieguito Charts, okay? Diego Trades / Dieguito Charts, the name. You guys just send me a DM on X if you guys are interested. What's the best ROI account flip you have done? That was a 2K to 80K. So that was 40x. I 40x in accounts. And I lost, I burned it after. That was like the peak. That was the peak. But I made a video about that, about my story. Like, I flipped a lot of accounts in the past. That's how I was able to make money. But I lost them all a lot of the time. But one time I was like, okay, now that I flipped it, I keep it and I go for nice risk management and I trade like a pro. And this is what changed my life. Are we running for a short again? That would be nice. That would be nice. Y por ahora no supero el daily VWAP. Yeah. Same. What do you think about BTC visiting 109k area to fill the gaps and come back? Yeah, that could be a thing. Actually, guys, and that was a nice exit, guys. That was a nice exit. You guys can see that we took the weekly high. You guys can see that we took the New York high. Okay, the New York open high. No, my bad. You guys can see that we took the London high, okay, and we rejected. So that was a great TP. And hype is just running by itself, so that's even better. That's even better. And yeah, we have single prints here, but we have a huge confluence right here with this high, okay. We also have a confluence here with those single prints, weekly VWAP, daily VWAP, rolling daily VWAP, okay. Yeah. and invalidation will be daily high, because again, based on probabilities, guys, there's only 8% chance that we take the daily high today. So even from that level, that could have been a nice one, because 8% chance to get here and 92% chance to get here. So that's a pretty good trade also. But the risk reward is only 0.7. I would love to get at least 1.1. And again, guys, a lot of people are like, yeah, but you have to trade 3 risk reward setup, 4 risk reward setup, but that's false. Most of the trades I take are 2 risk reward or 1 risk reward, and I have like a 7 to 85% win rate. It's just that the lower is the risk reward on your trade, the highest are your probabilities to win, okay? And so it depends. If you want to eat one big winner and take 10 risk reward trades or 5 risk reward trades and have a 25 or 20 or 10% win rate, that's up to you if that's your strategy. My strategy is not like that. My strategy is that I know that whenever I will enter, there is a high probability that there will be a rejection or a bounce at the level I enter, because I'm looking at order flow, I'm looking at key levels, and so there is most of the time a rejection of that level. This is why I want to play one risk reward or 2 risk reward trades, basically. I hope that was clear, guys. And hype keeps running. Hype is making me happy, because I also have hype on my personal account. So hype is running. That's pretty good. I will post you the screenshot here. I have hype on my lighter account, so that's pretty good. This and this. Wow, hype is printing, guys. Which is your main platform to trade personal? It's Coinbase, guys. It's Coinbase. It's Coinbase. Why? I will tell you why. Because honestly, the platform where I want to put my money to trade and where I have my assets, the one I believe are the safer are either a ledger, but I don't want to have a ledger because a ledger is not safe, okay? If someone comes to your house and say, oh, give me your money, you give your ledger, and it's easier to steal you from a ledger. While stealing you from Coinbase, in order to me to remove my fund to Coinbase, you need to call and to send a message to my Coinbase to the girl I know that is working at Coinbase, okay, in New York, that I met, because I have the VIP thing. So I cannot move my funds if I don't send a message and if I don't do all those things. So I have my shit on Coinbase. And again, Coinbase is a registered company on S&P, Nasdaq. They follow the USA regulation. They have BlackRock buying Bitcoin on fucking Coinbase. So for me, Coinbase is the strongest platform that you can have, okay? It's just that not a lot of people trade on Coinbase because they don't do marketing. They don't give a fuck about having people on Coinbase because their main business is not the traders, the retail traders that will make fees. Their main business is the institution that will trade and the market makers, okay? So that's why. You got that lower piano Coinbase hoodie? No, bro, I want it. I want it. I will ask it. But I got some cool Coinbase stuff, like hats, I got also stuff from the Grand Prix. They invited me in Barcelona with Aston Martin. That was pretty sick. Nice bounce actually. You guys can see we took this high, we closed above. The preparation for today's stream, guys, was insane. And again, this is why I want to start the stream 30 minutes before the New York Open, because we can mark our levels, we can have the plan for the day, and whenever New York Open, we are ready to pull the trigger, okay? And that's what happened today, and this is how we make good money. So yeah, that was again a nice, very nice stream, guys. Very happy of that stream. So now let's see if we can get full TP on Hype and full TP on BTC. That will also be maybe a short. That could be a nice short. I would love to take the short. My problem is with Konami is they can freeze account in a blink of an eye. I saw so many people having that problem. Yeah, but because you need to have, like, I mean, like, in my situation, like, I have European passports, I have an American ID, I also have, like, a YouTube channel, the next account, like, with some followers, and I'm also ambassador of Coinbase. Like, I have a contract with them. For example, I cannot share the thing, but I have securities with them. It's private, but basically I'm very safe on Coinbase. So for my case, and I might extend it to my mentorship students to give them access to these VIP things. But you need to have at least 100k on Coinbase. Like under 100k, they don't give a fuck about you. And even 100k, they don't really give a fuck, buddy. Can everyone use Coinbase? I'm not sure, brother. I'm not even sure that you can use it in, that you can use Coinbase Advanced, so for the derivatives in Europe now. I have it because I have my remit ID. But guys, basically, for those who are looking for an account to trade without KYC and any problem, you guys see how smooth it was to trade on Lbank, how smooth it was to move, dragging down the stop losses and the TPs, how smooth it was. That was very good. We made good profit today on Lbank. You guys can see we made 1k. That was a fucking good day. I'm doing the 10k to 100k challenge. We're now at 1130k because basically I restarted it, okay? So you guys remember we were at 12k and I moved, no, we were higher. We were at like around 15k and I removed 5k, okay, to spot. So I restarted it. So I took 5k profit and now we restarted. So now we are up a bit more, but I wanted to restart it. So that's good. Again, the link for Lbank, guys, is in the description. By the way, let me prepare the bot, okay? Let me prepare the bot for the giveaway, because remember there is again $100 giveaway in today's stream, guys. As usual. Oh shit! Hype almost hit my TP on my account. Sad. Okay, my bad. Okay, so now it's starting, guys. Look. So basically, anyone that is a follower and that is commenting and liking the stream, he will be here. And we will do the draw in 10 minutes, guys. Okay? At 35, we do the draw, okay? Feels like low of week to me. What do you mean low of the week? Low of the week? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. And if we look at the statistics, let's see what the statistics says about a weekly low. Okay, let's see what they say. Let's see what they say. Hype was a banger of a trade, guys. Huh? What's that? It's Hype hitting TP, no? What? It's BTC? What is BTC again? It's that thing. Well, let's remove the alarm. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, cool. Nice phone. Ah, thank you. Ah, thank you, guys. That's the new iPhone, guys. Thanks to trading, guys. Joking. So yeah, let's look at the data, guys. So the weekly high is the P1, okay? P2 forms after Tuesday, so either a new high or a new low, okay? 92% chance. So there is 92% chance that we either make a new high or a new low, okay? But the other thing is that there is only 23% chance that we make a new weekly high, okay? So if you think about it, there is 92% chance, 93% chance that we make either a new low or a new high this week, and there is only 23% chance that we make a new high. So basically, there is like 70% chance that we make a new low this week, okay? And so basically, this is why I don't think the week of the low is in. Also, if you look at the daily data, again, if you guys remember on the daily data, just let me take some profit here on my okay, nice. On my personal account, I took some profit also. That's fine. Okay, great, nice. On BTC and on Hype. Okay, so made nice profits. So I can show it to you guys also here. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? So that's, for example, that's an account on. Sorry. So yeah, look, for example, that's an account on Lighter, okay, with like 70Ks. You guys can see that's the trade I just closed, okay? But if we look at the trade history, we can see that I closed a lot of P&L on BTC longs, okay, and the BTC shorts, okay? You guys can see the trade history, and you guys can also see that on the last 24 hours, we basically made 2K profits on BTC. We made 2K here on Lighter, and we made yeah, so basically we made 2K here on Lighter, and we made 1K on Lbank. So overall, we're up 3K today. So overall, we are up 3K today with those trades. So that's pretty good. And that will pay the first class to Dubai this week. So let's fucking go. Always trying to be transparent with you guys, huh? Like I told you, I show you guys the numbers when I make money or when I lose money. We take the trades in live. There is no bullshit. And honestly, there's not a lot of people doing this, okay, with real account. How much is your Lbank? There's only 10K on the Lbank account. I request to live trade every day, 2 position and done. Why? I will try to stream almost every day, guys. Huh? Almost every day. Bro's already living oldest dream at young age. Keep it up, bro. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. We are still very how will we say, far away of what we can achieve. Bah je paye, frère. c'est voilà quoi, flat tax. Killing it. Thanks, Fleur. Thanks, brother. Thanks, Gamer Boy. So now let's see. Honestly, I would have loved this, like this single print to be filled, rolling VWAP, weekly VWAP, but we didn't got it. So I'm a wait. Links of brighter data. I will share them, brother. I don't have them here. I only have the link of the platform. I don't know if just go on X and look for brighter data. They might have their websites. By the way, guys, I don't know if you guys started to follow me on Instagram. I started an Instagram account, okay? I started an Instagram account right here. This one, Diego Trades _ 200 followers. I'm posting reels of my trades, okay? You guys can see. I will make a giveaway, $500 to be given away in this Instagram account to one of the followers, okay? I will give away $100 to 5 people in the Instagram account. So make sure to follow me, okay? The draw will be next week. I will announce it on Twitter also. So yeah, this is here. I will post the link I will post the link later on X if you don't have it, but yeah, make sure to follow me. And for example, whenever I do for example, yesterday, see, I took this trade, risk free, trade close, okay, in live, you guys can see here. Then that was a trade from yesterday that I explained, and that's today trade, okay, today plan. You guys remember we had this little thing, and at the end we made money. That was pretty good. So yeah. One more last trade for today, maybe. Well, if we have it, yes, but again, guys, let's try to not force a trade, okay? If we don't have any trade that comes to us, we don't take it. That's it. If you guys remember, when we dumped here, okay, we had a week. What was the week? Like some shit like this, and we bounced. I was unfilled, and I didn't chase the price. The price didn't tap my level. We tapped my level, and I just waited. That's it. Insta most communication tool. Yeah, and I will do a lot of content on Instagram also, guys, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. So guys, the draw for the giveaway will be in 5 minutes, okay, in 4 minutes at 35. So again, if you guys want to win the giveaway, $100 to one of you guys, comment, like the stream, and make sure to follow. We are already at 1k 250 followers on YouTube. Thanks a lot. That's huge, guys. I really think that we can go for 2k before the end of the month, and maybe 3k before the end of the year. That will be insane. So let's get it, guys. YouTube journey only starting. Yes, bro. Yes. Honestly, I think we can bring this to high levels, because trading is, a lot of people love trading, and I feel like I'm doing good content. You always have to believe in yourself, and honestly, I feel like I'm doing good content, like live trading, giving value, etc. I'm trying to do my best. We're doing this in English, and I can also make content like fun and lifestyle content. Like we go to traveling, we do some shit, we buy watches, we rent or we buy cars, whatever. Like that is also nice content. Up only for us. Yes, guys. Insta will grow fast with shorts and all. Yeah, Instagram is, well, Instagram it's hard to grow it. You have to be lucky a little bit on social medias, I think. You know, you have to get that reel or that TikTok or that YouTube video that just go like crazy. For now, I didn't have one, but maybe in the future. And YouTube takes time, yeah. YouTube takes a lot of time. So let's do the giveaway, guys. In what hour is it? It's 33 in 1 minute 30. Instagram is full of dumb people. That's why. Yeah, TikTok also. Well, it's full of, let's say, younger age people. What camera are you using for daily vlogs? I use the DJI Osmo Pocket. This one, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. That one. The DJI. DJI. This one. Pretty good. I also have the microphone, etc. So yeah. Okay, well guys, let's go for the giveaway. There's 40 entries, okay? So that's sad. There is 65 viewers, only 45 entries. So again, if you guys want to participate to the giveaway, make sure to comment. Make sure to comment the stream. I'm giving you guys 1 minute more. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we go for that. That's better than GoPro. Yeah, I don't know. I prefer it to GoPro. So yeah. Personally, I prefer it to GoPro. And then let's see if we can have another setup. And then I will leave you guys. I will play Rocket League. No, I'm joking. I will play set time. Nice. Feeling lucky. Let's go. Okay, comments. Okay, guys. So there we go. Let's go for the winner. I'm clicking here. Ah, no. It's here. Let's do it. Yo! Daily masculine motivation. He won. Is he here? No way, bro. No way. No way. He already won, guys. He won like last week or like 2 weeks ago. What the hell? Congrats, bro. Congrats. Congrats, brother. Guys, that's like the bots. I cannot do better than that. That's like, how can you be that lucky? But congratulations, brother. He's here. He already commented. Well, guys, no worry. Tomorrow there will be another giveaway, and as usual, every days we do a session. We give away value. We take trades, and at the end, we do. You never won. Okay, I thought. You sure? I think. Oh, I know. I'm confounding with who? With Anim Lover. Okay, I thought with him. Okay, congratulations, brother. Well, send me a DM on X. You also have to send me your Lbank QID, so we send you the $100, and that's good. So congratulations, brother. Now let's see if we, if we have the rejection here. That's sad. We didn't took it, but at least we took profits. At least we will have taken profits on the longs, right? I'm playing, sorry, because now the market is boring. So let's play. Seeing you guys following me on Instagram, thanks. Evan, I haven't won once. What? You never won? But who won? What the fuck? Yeah, Lucky Boy won multiple times, but I swear to God, I was convinced that one of you guys already won. I think it's because you guys are commenting a lot. So I feel like I see your name and your profile pic a lot of times, so that's why. Maybe I thought you won. Share your gameplay, bro. It's boring for us too, bro. I cannot share it because it's on my PlayStation 5, and I'm recording the MacBook. But I have a gaming PC. Maybe next streams I do them on the PC. So whenever I'm not in the trade and we are waiting, we just have like some Rocket League or Battlefield content for gameplay. But yeah. So guys, are you guys still in the long or no? Like with the comments you guys posted, I feel like there was like 15 or maybe 20 people that took the shot with us today, so that was pretty good. Today we made money, guys. Today we made money. And did you guys took profits? Or are you guys still fully in? Stop century. And also, who is short now? Did someone shorted this sweep or no? Did someone at the boss to short? Personally, I was waiting. See you tomorrow, Dennis. Only twice. Ash Crypto is always winning, lol. Ash Crypto, he won one time, no? No, he never won. I think there's Nazir that won also. I shorted. Nice. What's your entry? I'm waiting for new setup. Yes, same. I don't have any confidence here for a short. Like the London high, but the New York high conference is too low. Even though there was almost 200 million longs chasing the price, but I prefer to enter on weekly VWAP, rolling VWAP, and the single prints rather than here. So let's see if we have it. Oh, my entry is 104k 581. Okay, not that high. That's a bit risky. Good luck. What's your invalidation, brother? I never win in 2 weeks, lol. I already know I'm unlucky. Maybe you will win, bro. And I know that actually you are here almost every stream. Sorry, bro. Thanks for the support. But again, like, it's a giveaway, giving away money, so I cannot like choose who I'm giving it. It has to be a draw. That's not fair. Adding mod 105k for. Okay, so you low leverage. Nice. Yeah, 105k for would be great actually. Don't know if we can get it. My leak is my invalid. I recon a degen when I see one. Joking, joking. Yeah. Yeah, joking. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, let's see, guys. Well, so far not much, huh? If we don't have anything after that, might end the stream, huh? Oh, oops. That was a nice close, by the way, here. And if we look at the data, you guys can see that the yellow VWAP on the upper left box is the daily VWAP. And we are rejecting the daily VWAP so far. So maybe that was it. I prefer to enter on trades on weekly VWAP rather than entering on the daily VWAP. But sometimes that can be a nice support or resistance for scalps. Okay. See here, that was a nice level to take profit. That's why also I took some profit. Bro, this stream became a lovely part of every day. Oh, that's so sweet, brother. That is so sweet. Thanks. And yeah, same. Like, I really love to do those because if I wasn't streaming, I would be just playing Rocket League with my music and by myself. While here I'm with you guys, like 50 to 80 people. This motherfucker's got an own goal. So it's even better for me. I love also doing those. How much is the leverage you use to trade? I can use up to 100x leverage. Like, that doesn't mean anything. The most important thing is the overall leverage on your account. And I'm never exposed more than what I have on my account. So for example, the notional of my position cannot be higher than, for example, if my account is 500k, okay, the sum of all my position cannot be more than 500k with the leverage, okay, like the notional. Like for example, if you long 10k but you long it with 10x leverage, it's not a 10k position, it's a 100k position. And so basically, if you do that, the sum of all those positions cannot be higher than my account. Because you cannot afford to, I cannot afford to risk liquidation. Like, that's stupid. Wait, you play Rocket League on your Mac? No. I play Rocket League on my on PlayStation 5, bro. No. Almost a goal at the end. No, on my Mac it's impossible, bro. It's impossible. On PlayStation 5. Non. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait, gros? Sorry. My French is coming back. I'm insulting that guy. Putain. Tocard, frère. Sorry. French people, we understand. Sometimes I do this in Spanish. Later, guys. Much love. See you, Spartanera. See you tomorrow. I don't think I will stream much later. No, on PS5. Yeah. I also downloaded Battlefield. I don't know if you guys have Battlefield. I think it's 5, the last one. I don't really like it. I don't really like it. And there is the new Call of Duty that is going to be released soon. Don't know if I will buy it or not. Maybe we can do some games with the viewers. That could be funny. Okay, I won. Nice. Okay, guys. Well, basically, I think that was it for today. Okay, we got our trigger. That was pretty good. Okay, we've got the bonds from here. We took the long. Okay, we closed most of the profits on London high sweep. Okay. I was targeting 105k, 105k 5 with this single print, weekly VWAP and rolling VWAP for a potential full TP and also a potential short position. I didn't got it. Regarding hype, I'm almost at full TP. I closed half here. I have my stops entry. So now I'm fully risk free and I made profit on all the trades. On the challenge account, we fully closed the position and now we are waiting. And basically that's it. Now let's see how it goes. But personally, I'm happy to be out of that. And we made profits. We made a nice money today, and that was it. Place Leader Yo, I don't know if you remember, I was your first stream after. Oh yeah, let's play that. Leader Yo. Let's play that a little bit. While waiting for a setup. Okay. 0 trades. Defense. Guy, that is top-notch trading content. That is top-notch trading content. Basically, what we are doing right now, we are training to know how to sweep the liquidity, guys. We are sweeping the liquidity right now, okay? I'm just training to sweep liquidity, that's it. Hop. Hop les. Oh no, he ate it all. He absorbed me. I'm trying to find walls with it. Oh no! I got liquidated, guys. Shit. I got liquidated. Hope one day to see a 24-hour live stream could be fun. Wait, you want me to die or what? 24-hour live stream. Well, that could be funny, but maybe I will do that. Okay, whenever I with 100 subscribers on YouTube, I will do a 24-hour stream. Like trading or whatever. We'll trade, we'll play, we'll travel, I don't know. Oh! Dieguido fans. It's Axolo. How are you, brother? Yo. Oh. Yes. No. Don't trap me. Bro, you are so good. 90% of online players in this game are fake and they are all AI. Oh, really? Well, please don't kill me. How is your press moving? Okay, that's fine. I took some risk. It's like driving on the phone. Let's go. It's hard to be a trader during a bear market, guys. Delfinio Bot. Ah, here. See here. His name Bot. But how are you? Ah, because there is the server name. Okay. Oh, oh, that's a bot. Well, guys, 103k 700 on Bitsy. That was a great exit that we had. Huh? We were not greedy. That's nice. Can we pause the game? No. Fuck. How much I am? I'm not even top 10. Fuck that. $103k 700. If I go here, I die. Okay. Okay. Bro. Can I have like a warning message? What the fuck? Okay, that was it for me. That was it for me. We're almost back at entry, guys. That was a great entry, great risk management on today's stream. Okay, that was pretty good. We entered because we had shorts chasing the price, and we exited because we saw long started to chase the price at the highs after we swept the London high right here. And so that was a pretty good risk management on the trade. So yeah, That was good. That was good, guys. Hype pretty stronger. But yeah, basically we booked the profit. So today we made 9 money. We made 1k on the challenge. And we made 2k on my personal account. So that's a 3k day. So fucking solid. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Personally, I'm not looking for a new long now. As you guys can see on the daily, the data, we only have 8% of making a new daily high, while we have 82% of making a new daily high or low. But basically that will be a low, okay? I think we're going for the low. So I'm not interested in longing here, honestly. And I would have loved to short here. Stopped up above the daily high, target lower. That would have been a banger of the trade. Didn't got the setup, so that's fine. Like yesterday, we didn't have the setup. If you guys remember, we wanted to short here, and the price rejected here, and at the end we ended up shorting at later, okay, in the afternoon. So maybe today we have another bounce here, okay, later. Maybe later we have like a little bounce. I don't know. We do some shit like that, and then we go for here, and then we go lower, and here we can maybe be happy. Maybe we can be happy here. I don't know. Oh, oops. So, Perfect. Okay, my bad. It's time for me to go, guys. I think it's time for me to go. But yeah, basically, that was a fucking great exit, guys. Very happy of the trade management we had today. Okay, great execution. You guys can see we closed the long at 104k 200 and 104k 500. So basically here and here, that was pretty good. So basically the trade was closed in average here. Okay, that's pretty nice. Pretty good risk management on the trade. So now we are fully risk free. We don't give a fuck. We made our money, and that's pretty good. So thanks again, guys, for the stream. And see you tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow on the stream. So have a good one, guys. Have a good one, guys, and see you guys tomorrow. Don't know if you guys have any last question. I'm just waiting a little bit to see if you guys have any question. And then we good. Price back at entry. That was a solid execution. That was a fucking solid execution. Oh, basically we just exited here. That was pretty solid. See you. Thank you, bro. See you. My entry 100k is good. What do you mean? 110k entry on the long and stop loss 100k. What the fuck is that position, brother? You should have closed it before. Honestly, I can't say anything here because like I don't know what to say. Like the entry is quite bad. So to be honest, with me. So no day say. No. Don't day say. No. What's your invalidation? Like what's your liquidation? I think your invalidation should be your liquidation. What's your liquidation, brother? Well, guys, thanks for the stream. 100k leak. Oh, of your full accounts, bro. Honestly, I think we can go to your liquidation. Honestly, and I can't even say I don't hope we go to liquidation because I do want to buy BTC under 100k. So I have my bias. I think that we probably go for it. Maybe we go 110, 109k before. But you shouldn't trade without stop loss and with liquidation. You have to have a plan. Like I told you guys before I entered the trade, if you guys watch the rediffusion, I will post it. When I entered, I was in loss and I was smiling, because if I get stopped, that's fine. Because whenever I enter a trade, I know that there are three outcomes. Either I make money, take profit, either I lose money, stop loss, or I just don't make money and I don't lose money because I get stopped break even, okay? And I know that before entering the trade, I calculate my size. You guys remember, I went here, I was okay, I want to risk 1k, I put here, and I can see here that the size required is 1 BTC, so I long 1 BTC, but at the end I was like, okay, maybe I should risk $500 on BTC and $500 on hype, so I risk $500 on hype and $500 on BTC, and yes, thank you for being honest, this is why I'm here to learn, thank you for answering question before end stream. You're good, brother, this is why I'm doing these streams, so you're fine. If you have any more questions, send me a DM on X if you want some help, but yeah. So you really have to have a plan, okay? You cannot come here and say, okay, today I will make money, and because you don't have to be delusional. Like in life, you have to be delusional. You have to bet on yourself. But when it comes to trading, saludos Checho, Fatoni, no sé cómo es. You have to be delusional in life. I mean, like by being like, okay, I know that I will succeed, but in trading you have to be very but you have to respect the rules, okay? You don't have to be crazy, you have to stick to your rules. And basically in trading, most of the people, they cannot afford to lose, okay? They cannot afford losing, because whenever they are in loss, they start to panic, which is like a human reaction. But you have to understand that when you trade, you will lose. Like, that's part of the process, that's part of the system. So like you will have, even if you are the best trader in the world, you will lose. Like I'm not even like one of the best traders in the world. I think I'm good at trading, but you guys will see that we will make a lot of wins during the streams, live trading, but we will also lose trades, because that's part of the game. Sometimes you may have an analysis, your system is telling you, okay, that should be a nice level to buy or sell, and at the end the price just goes in the opposite direction, and that's it. Like, that's, so you really have to learn. And I think that a lot of people are like, yeah, you have to learn the best strategy, you have to learn macro analysis, fundamental analysis, you have to get this indicator, you have to use this AI. But no, what you have to do first when it comes to trading is know yourself, know your risk management, and have a plan. And once you get that, then you can think about the strategy. Because if you have your strategy first and you don't have the mindset, the psychology, the risk management, you will lose. Because maybe you will make 1 month, 2 months of profits, but as you don't have rules, whenever you will do that little mistakes, okay? And this is why trading is one of the most dangerous job in the world, okay? It's because in trading, if you make one mistake, you're dead, okay? You're not dead, physically dead, but like you don't have money, and if you don't have money, you cannot trade. So basically you cannot work, okay? So that's it. So yeah, risk management is the most important thing, guys. And it's not sexy. It's not sexy to risk 1%, 2%, 5% per trade. But on the long run, this is what will make you a winner and a trader. You're welcome, Mr. Real Dank. Hey man, how do I speak to you? Sponsorship opportunities. Send me a DM on X. Guys. Whatever. Sponsor. If you guys have any question for the stream, if you guys want to join the mentorship, for anything, send me a DM on X. I will answer. It's only me that have access to this account. So have a good one, guys. That was a great close on the trade. Very good stream. We made profits. We took the profits and we didn't run trip it, so that's even better. Have a good one, guys, and see you tomorrow, same hour for the stream. Bye bye.